started, but we're working on it. So I'm going to start in this corner. I have all these belts hanging because I don't know how else to store them. So I just put them up with tags. This goes to my lights up here. And then there's my Skins album, which honestly, if you listen to XXXTentacion's music, you know that that album sucked. But I got it for the memory. Then here's all of my pictures. If you're wondering where I got all of these from, it should be talked about in the beginning of the video. They're all from a board on my Pinterest, and I got them printed at CVS. Then we have these little starlights here. They're kind of facing the wrong way. These are from Target. They go all the way around my closet doors, which I did take my closet doors off. So then in here is all of my dresses on that side, skirts right here, tank tops in there, and then all of my clothes are generally color coded. And then here's like jackets. I have a lot of jackets. Up there is my sweatshirts. Over there's like my Apple boxes and stuff, and some scarves and a little stuffed animal. And then those are like my shoe boxes. I keep those and I store things in there. Back here I have this little shelf, and I have this old speaker that I got a while ago, and a humidifier, bunch of shoes, my dirty laundry. There's more storage back there. And then you can just see all this. I got like this fanny pack, some wax melters, but then here's my wax thing. It got spilled on the floor, so now I need new carpet. This side of the wall, I need to finish and get more pictures so that I can go all the way around, because they both kind of stop at the same area. But this goes all the way down, and I have this map of New York, but I had this hanging right here, but I don't want it to be hanging over top of those, so I don't know what to do with that right now. But I love it, and I don't want to get rid of it. Here is my big mirror. This is from IKEA. I got it on sale for only $40. It's like insane. This is my little potted plant. I've had him for a while. It's like the only plant that I've been able to keep alive. I got it at Lowe's, and then this little like hanger thing I made myself out of rope. And then this plant I just got, and it already died. It was from Lowe's. It's just hung up like that. It already died, and when I water it, it like drips down here really bad, so I kind of stopped watering it, so I think that's why it died. But next is my little bed setup. It looks like this. The shelf my dad made himself, so that's just like a piece of wood, and then the little hooks are from IKEA. The plants are from a mixture of IKEA and I think TJ Maxx, so that hangy one is from IKEA. That mirror is from Target. Here's my 20 million pillows. My bedding, this is from Target, I believe. I didn't get it, my mom did. All those pillows are from either Target or TJ Maxx. Oh, the lights. Around here are from Target, I believe. If not Target, it was Michael's. That's my dog from Animal Rescue. She is a little rescue. We adopted her at age like 5 or 6, I think. We don't really know how old she was. But she's my little sweetie. The sweetest thing on the planet. Here's how that looks. I'll go turn those on in a second. This is my random lamp. It's got a hue light bulb on it so I can make my room colors. Yeah, don't mind my makeup on my hand. I'm gonna plug in these lights really quick. It looks really good with the lights plugged in. Wanna focus? So cute. I literally adore that part of my room. In this corner, I have vines that go just up and down because it was really empty and it looked weird, so I needed to put something there. So that's my little vines. They kind of go like down, but not all the way down. This is just empty random junk that I have. I have my 9 drawers from IKEA. Oh, the vines are from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description if you want them, since everybody always wants to know. Don't buy them at Urban Outfitters. They are so cheap on Amazon. It was like 14 bucks for literally like hundreds of them, and at Urban Outfitters it's literally like 30 for like 5. Buy them on Amazon. Over here I have my car collection because I can't have a real garage full of 20 cars, so why not have little ones? So I have this Land Rover Defender, which I literally adore, Defender 90. I want one of those. Here's my Pagani. Looks like this. It's pretty cool. I like this one a lot. My G-Wagon, the first one that I ever got. This is just an orange Range Rover. Thought it should be added to the collection because every rich person with 20 cars has a Range Rover as their daily. So I'm like literally pretending that I have all of these. With my Bugatti with some nice tan interior. It's the same spec as my car, kind of like the light brown caramel with the blue. So I like that. My cameras, my film camera, a book that I was reading. Sorry about my voice. I'm kind of getting over something. And then in this corner, we have these shelves, which they're all from Urban Outfitters. They're actually really cheap. And they came with these little hangers. And then my plants, that's a cactus. You can barely see it. It's really little. I don't know if it's real or not. Sorry, I had to switch to my phone. So, those plants are from TJ Maxx, I believe. This is a candle from, where is this from? Bath & Body Works. I got my little candle lighter in there. Then I have this hangy plant, I believe is from TJ Maxx. I don't know for sure. This candle, no idea where that's from. I've never even burned it. I have this little amethyst. And then this hangy plant, probably from TJ Maxx again. TJ Maxx, TJ Maxx. I have this little Yankee candle. I have a few of these. The vanilla cupcake ones because I love them so much. I have more amethyst. And then that little hanging plant, which I would assume is from TJ Maxx. And then, don't mind my Clorox, I was just cleaning. And that's my box fan because I can't sleep without a fan. I have these curtains from Bed Bath & Beyond. Christmas lights, more vines. I used to have Christmas lights behind the curtains, but they all died, and I really want to redo that because I loved it. Here's my desk. It's from IKEA as well. Here's my chair. I used to have a really cool clear chair, and then Carissa broke it. So I got this one from TJ Maxx for literally like $30. And it said it was broken, but it works just fine. So here I have my makeup brushes, my perfume, makeup mirror, my Amazon Alexa, my Mac. I took down all my Polaroids, so I have a big stack of those under there. Then in this corner, I hang all my jewelry, as you can see, and I put my dream catcher up there with it. All my jewelry, all my sunglasses, my ukulele, and then I have my little albums from X. And then there's my chair. Don't mind the jeans, I just bought those. My chair's from Pottery Barn, and my pillows, Target or TJ Maxx, and then that blanket's from Target. Then I have more vines here. They actually go all the way over, but I haven't gotten lights for those yet because I just took all of the pictures off that wall and put them on those walls. So no lights yet, but they'll coming soon, don't worry. So the vines and the lights, vines from Amazon, lights from Target. So here's my dresser. My dresser is from IKEA as well as the rest of my furniture. It slants in the middle. You can't really tell in this shot. There, now you can. it goes down in the middle now, so I don't recommend this one, but it's pretty. And then I have my record player, which is so dusty because I never use it. Like, you can't even wipe the dust off. You can see right there it came off. There's a picture of me and my mom when I was little. Look at me. I wasn't in pageants, I was a ballet dancer. More candles, because my mom finally let me light candles in my room. That's a strap off my bag, don't mind that. And then there's my Gucci bag and this little salt lamp. Here's my door and my Brandy Melville sign. So to talk about the stickers on the door, since everyone always asks where they're from, I just buy stickers everywhere I go. Like, it doesn't matter where I go. If they have a sticker, I buy it and I put it on my door. A lot of them are from Brandy Melville. So those are all Brandy. That's Brandy, that's Brandy. There's a few more Brandies, those ones. Because you can take like so many from them for free. But yeah, that's where all those are from. And then my Brandy Melville sign, which everyone wants to talk about. So Brandy Melville sign is from the Brandy Melville store. It was hanging on the wall, and I just asked the girl if I could buy it, and they said it doesn't have a price, but they said I could buy it. So she took it and she rang it up as $25, and I bought it. That's all. I don't know where else you can buy Brandy Melville signs, but that's literally, everyone like freaks out wanting to know where that is on TikTok, so that's where it's from.
So I forgot to film an outro for this video, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone that's from TikTok, and welcome to where I started on my little social media thing, which is my YouTube channel. So welcome. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week.